Student, today we are going to discuss neutralization reaction. This neutralization reaction also called as acid-base reaction. So neutralization reaction also called as acid-base reaction. Acid and base reaction. So why is this called as acid base reaction, and what will happen neutralization reaction during neutralization reaction? So any daily example for neutralization reaction now we will discuss one by one. So coming to the definition of this neutralization reaction, so neutralization reaction is defined as acid react with base to form salt and water is called as neutralization reaction. The general equation for neutralization reaction: acid react with base, acid plus base gives rise to give salt and water. So this reaction is called as neutralization reaction. See, while neutralization, salt and water are products, acid and base are reactants. In the chemical reaction we have two parts. One is reactant, second one is product. What are the reactants? Acid and base. Product, salt and water. Simple. Coming to the definition of the neutralization reaction, when acid react with base to give salt and water, such type of reaction is called as neutralization reaction. Such type of reaction is called as neutralization reaction. So this neutralization reaction is also called as acid and base reaction. Why is called as acid and base reaction? In the reactor, acid and base are the substance. Acid and base are substance for neutralization reaction. That's why it is called as acid and base reaction. See the chemical reactions. Give any example for acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid. React with base, NaOH. You know very well, NaOH is a sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid. Both reaction, what will happen? Give rise to NaCl plus water, H2O. What is NaCl here? NaCl is the sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a salt. Sodium chloride is a salt. And here water, general formula of water is H2O. Okay. So in sodium chloride, you know very well, this sodium chloride is also called as table salt, rock salt. We are using daily for cooking purpose. Okay. NaCl. What is NaCl? Another name of NaCl? Rock salt, table salt, and brine solution. Brine, not brain. Brain kaadu. Brine solution under. Okay. So what are the another name of sodium chloride? Rock salt, table salt, and brine. B-R-I-N-E. Brine solution. Okay. Next. One more example for the neutralization reaction. See this. H2SO4. What is H2SO4? H2SO4 is a sulfuric acid plus KOH. KOH is the potassium hydroxide. So give rise to what will happen? KCl plus no, not KCl here. What will happen? K2SO4 potassium sulfate plus H2O. potassium sulfate. Potassium sulfate. Potassium sulfate is a salt and water is a general. So coming to the neutralization reaction, when acid reacts with base to form salt and water, this reaction is called as neutralization reaction. So I give two examples. When hydrochloric acid is react with NaCl, NaOH and NaCl is formed, H2SO4 is react with potassium hydroxide is give potassium sulfate. This is a general example for neutralization reaction. So where did you find neutralization reaction in daily life? So in our daily life లో neutralization reaction ని మనం ఎక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు? So did you everyone note down? So write down in the running notes. Okay. So while looking in the video, you note down in the running notes. See, in daily life, where did you find me? So we are sometime. Do you know hydrochloric acid? Hydrochloric acid form a HCl. This hydrochloric acid is also called as gastric juice. Gastric juice. సో మన ఈ గ్యాస్ట్రిక్ జ్యూస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుందంటే స్టమక్లో ఉంటుంది. స్టమక్లో ఈ గ్యాస్ట్రిక్ జ్యూస్ దేనికి ఉపయోగపడుతుందంటే ఫర్ డైజెషన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫుడ్. ఫుడ్ డైజెషన్ కావడానికి గ్యాస్ట్రిక్ జ్యూస్ అనేది అవసరం. ద గ్యాస్ట్రిక్ excess amount of gastric juice released in the stomach, what will happen now? Excess amount of gastric juice అది రిలీజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే అది స్టమక్లో ఫుడ్ని ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఒక ముద్దలాగా చేసేసి అన్డైజెస్ట్ ఫుడ్ని అలాగే పెట్టేస్తుంది. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే అప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే మోషన్ అనేది సరిగా జరగదు. అలాంటి కండిషన్ ఏమంటున్నామంటే కాన్స్టిపేషన్ అంటాం. వెరీ వెల్ కాన్స్టిపేషన్. సో డైలీ మోషన్స్ రాకుండా 2 డేస్కి 3 డేస్కి 2 డేస్ 3 డేస్ వరకు రాదన్నమాట. అలాంటి కండిషన్ కాన్స్టిపేషన్ అంటాం. లోపల ఎలా స్టోరీ ఉంది టోటల్ గ్యాస్ట్రిక్ జ్యూస్ అంటే అసిడిక్ ఇన్ నేచర్. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే డాక్టర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళడము. ఇప్పుడు డాక్టర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళడము అంటే సిగ్గుపడతారు. సిగ్గుపడితే ఏం చేస్తారు? ఈనో తాగుతూ ఉంటారు. సో రకరకాలుగా చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. బట్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ consult doctor prescribe one type of tablet. The tablet name is antacid. So antacid, what is the nature of the antacid is? The nature of antacid is base in nature. So what is the formula of antacid? Magnesium hydroxide. Shall I erase the board? See, antacid. Antacid. So what is the nature of antacid? Base in nature. Very very important, my dear. What is the nature of antacid? Antacid nature is base. What is the formula of that antacid is magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Which compound is act as antacid mean? Magnesium hydroxide. MgOH taken twice. Nature, what is the nature of that one? Base. See now, in stomach, gastric juice nothing but hydrochloric acid. No, this hydrochloric acid react with antacid. Antacid. What is the nature of antacid? Base. Now the reaction will take place in between acid, hydrochloric acid and base. Acid and base to form salt and water. See now the reaction hydrochloric acid plus MgOH taken twice, acid and base. How the reaction will form? Magnesium chloride plus H2O. Magnesium chloride is a salt and water molecule will form. The neutralization reaction will take place. After neutralization reaction will take place free motion. So motion అనేది బాగా జరిగిపోతుంది. Okay, that is type of the neutralization reaction. Okay, in daily life neutralization reaction is you have to remember. Okay na? Next thing, we see some more example for neutralization reaction. So neutralization reaction concept, what is neutralization reaction? You have to remember, an acid react with base. యాసిడ్ అనేది బేస్తో రియాక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు, రియాక్షన్ జరిగినప్పుడు సాల్ట్ అండ్ వాటర్ని ఫార్మేషన్ చేస్తే న్యూట్రలైజేషన్ రియాక్షన్ అంటాం. వి సీ సమ్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ న్యూట్రలైజేషన్ రియాక్షన్. టు టేక్ మెటల్ ఆక్సైడ్. Metal oxide, I am writing general formula of metal oxide. Metal oxide plus acid give rise to salt and water. So tell me any one example for metals. See, remember students, so first group element and second group elements are the metal. Okay, and you can take aluminum also metal only. You can take iron, copper also metal only. Copper, iron and sodium, potassium, everything is a metal, first group and second group elements. But copper and irons are the not a first and second group element, the transition element, that one. So I am see here one example we can take here. Metal Na. Na is a sodium. Sodium present in first group element. First group element. What I am told? First group elements are metal. First group elements are metal. Na, metal. Oxide, Na2O. See my dear, what will happen now generally ఏమవుతుందంటే when metal oxide see Na2, when the metal oxide dissolve in the water, when metal oxide dissolve in the water, what will happen? It became NaOH, is a base. This became a base, NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Now metal oxide reacts with acid. Check this here. Hydrochloric acid, what will happen here? Again it form NaCl plus water. So now you can conclude that metal oxides are base in nature. What is the nature of metal oxide? By knowing this reaction, metal oxides are base in nature. Simple, you know concept now here. Metal oxide react with acid to give salt and water. We have now acid, but metal, you can confirm that metal oxides are base in nature now. We have to remember, my dear, all the metal oxides are base in nature. One more example we see. CuO. What is CuO? Cu, copper, O, oxide, copper oxide. Copper is a metal. When copper oxide react with HCl, hydrochloric acid. So what will happen? The reaction will take place. CuCl2 plus water. So this is the copper chloride. Bluish green color will appear. Bluish green color. So how do you confirm that the copper sulfate will form? After formation of copper chloride, the color is became bluish green color. Okay, that is one of the type of the neutralization reaction. So by knowing neutralization reactions, metal oxides are base in nature. Do you understand what I am saying? Okay, shall I erase? Note down everyone. Note down. Okay, next. See, next. Non-metal oxide. Non-metal oxide. See, my dear, non-metal oxide is nothing but O, no, oxygen. Non-metal groups, seventh group elements. What are the seventh group elements? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, And eighth group, sixth group elements also are there. Say yes or no? Fourth group also is there, fifth group, sixth group, seventh group. Eighth group elements are the gases, non-metal, but inactive. Does not react. Okay. And here see carbon, oxygen, sulfur, chlorine, bromine, iodine. All these things are non-metal. So you can take any one example for non-metal. Non-metal is a carbon. Carbon is a non-metal. Oxide, oxygen. See, when combined with oxygen, one oxygen, if combined with one oxygen, carbon, one oxygen, carbon monoxide. Mono is nothing but one. Carbon monoxide. See here, two. Carbon dioxide. Di is nothing but two. Oxide is nothing but O. Carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide, see, when carbon dioxide is reacted with CaOH, what is the name of CaOH? CaOH taken twice is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Another name of the calcium hydroxide is lime water. When calcium hydroxide is reacted with carbon dioxide, so what will happen? What will happen? CO3. Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate plus water will form. Water. Another name of this calcium carbonate is marble. Another name of calcium carbonate is marble. Okay. Next here. Once I am repeating here. CaCO3 is a salt. And here water. See here, calcium hydroxide is a base. Calcium hydroxide is a base. So how do you know calcium hydroxide is a base? The substance which are contain hydroxy group. ఏ సబ్స్టాన్స్ అయితే OH ని ఏమంటాం హైడ్రాక్సీ గ్రూప్ ని కలిగి ఉంటాయో అలాంటి సబ్స్టాన్స్ ని ఏమంటున్నాం అంటే బేస్ అంటున్నాం జనరల్ గా. ఓకే, calcium hydroxide is a base. So you know very well neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? When acid reacts with base to form salt and water. Here salt and water formed. Here base. Another substance is definitely is a acid. Now we can say that what is carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is a non-metal oxide. Carbon dioxide is a non-metal oxide. When non-metal oxide react with base to give salt and water. Now we can say that non-metal oxide are acidic in nature. Once I am repeating, non-metal oxide and metal oxide. So what is the nature of metal oxide? Base. So what is the nature of non-metal oxide? Acid. Okay, do you understand what I am saying?